Hi guys, this is Chika with Borrow Delights, and on this episode I'm sharing with you how to make my blueberry cream cheese muffins. So in my mixing bowl I have here my sugar and room temperature cream cheese, and I'm adding in my oil, 1 egg, some vanilla extract, and the zest and juice of half of a lemon. I'm going to cream all of these ingredients together and then set this aside and start on my dry ingredients. So for my dry ingredients, I'm combining flour, baking powder, salt, and a pinch of nutmeg. I'm going to stir all these dry ingredients together so that they're nice and combined, and then I'm going to take about a tablespoon of my flour mixture and toss this with my blueberries. And this step is really important because this is what will prevent your blueberries from sinking to the bottom of your muffins as they're baking. And now you're going to add your dry ingredients to your cream cheese mixture. You're going to stir that together, and then you're going to slowly add in your milk. And as always, you guys will be able to find the exact written recipe for these muffins by visiting my site, borrowdelights.com, and I will leave a link to my site in the description box below for you guys, so be sure to check that out. You're going to mix this together, and of course be sure to give the bottom and sides of your bowl a scrape down halfway through, and then continue to mix this for another 15 seconds or so. I'm now adding in my blueberries, and I'm just going to gently fold them into my batter. Also, if you're not subscribed to my channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button now so that you do not miss out on any of my upcoming recipe videos. You're going to place your batter into lined muffin tins, and I'm using an ice cream scoop to do this. If you don't have an ice cream scoop, you can go ahead and use a 1/4 cup measure to scoop out your batter. These are going to bake in a preheated 350-degree oven, and when they're done, you'll want to let them sit in the pan for about 2 minutes, and then you can take them and place them onto a cooling rack to cool completely. These blueberry cheesecake muffins are so delicious. They're nice and moist and light, and they're not too sweet, just the way I like my baked goods. They are the perfect combination between a Japanese cheesecake and a beautifully delicious bakery-style blueberry muffin. So I really hope you guys will give this recipe a try, and please be sure to leave your comments below and let me know how this recipe turns out for you. And as always, please give this video a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.